Product name, Mr. Signal. Model, MR9270S+. It is made in China. Based on the appearance of the instrument including cables and plugs, we can say that quality is good, but still Fluke instrument are more robust. If 10 will be the rate for Fluke, Mr. Signal will be at high 7 rating. Functions are, a multifunctional signal generator and Modbus master plus 2000 points logger and Hart general command. Used on PT100/CU50. With 10 kinds of thermocouple that can be tested. For current, voltage and passive current test. And for frequency counting and quantitative. There are so many uses of this device that I need to explore more. Package includes 1 piece OF Smart and Hart, 4 pieces of 10A/4mm test clip, 1 piece of 485 plug, 1 piece of 485 communication line, 1 piece of user manual, 1 piece of charger, 1 piece of USB line, 1 piece of tool bag.
Forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing.
Mr. Signal has 2.4-inch IPS HD LCD screen and toughened glass with 95% transmittance. Keypad and screen backlight. With 14,502 lithium battery. Appearance and traditional AAA battery are the same, but cannot be compatible, but the battery is easy to buy. Mr. Signal has 4 ports on the top, out positive, out negative, in negative, or 24 volts and in positive. On the bottom it has USB port, bulb for charging status, on and off button and RS485 interface. On this testing we will use Mr. Signal MR9270S and Fluke 789 process meter. We will do the trial on receiving and delivering 4 to 20 milliamp from N to Fluke 789. Press and hold EXT button for 2 seconds, the display will change into 5 modes. The following are the different displays. Trial 1. Testing of Mr. Signal, MR9270S Plus with Fluke 789 as receiver. For the first testing on 4 to 20 milliamp. We will connect the out ports of Mr. Signal positive and negative to Fluke 789, simulate ports positive and negative.
forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing.
The display on Mr. Signal will be out display. And the dial on Fluke 789 will be milliamp reading. We will try different points on 4 to 20 milliamp generator by changing the digits one by one. Mr. Signal can also simulate automatic increase and decrease of ampere as tested. Trial 2. Testing of Mr. Signal MR9270S Plus as receiver with Fluke 789S source. For the second testing on 4 to 20 milliamp. We will connect the out port of Mr. Signal positive and negative or common port to Fluke 789, simulate ports positive and negative. The display on Mr. Signal will be out display. And the dial on Fluke 789 will be output milliamp. By the way, if accidentally you interchange the polarity of the cables or connection, there would be negative sign on the display.
Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
Using Fluke 789 as source is easier compared to Mr. Signal. On Fluke 789 there are dedicated buttons on each digit and shortcut button for maximum and minimum output. Fluke 789 can also give continuous change of output like Mr. Signal. On the other side we can see also the display of Mr. Signal that can create line graph compared to Fluke 789 that don't. To summarize the unboxing and trial of Mr. Signal MR9270S Plus. Positive note. First, it's cheap compared to Fluke 789. It has many options and usage that can be handy on technical persons that are going to the field. But it is also its disadvantage. Rather than bring many and bigger tools to accomplish the task. It's also light compared to Fluke and smaller also. I believe that there will be more positive points I can get on this compact device while I am using this on my work. I can discover and maybe eliminate the use of many other devices. Let's see. Negative side, because of the multifunctional scheme of this device that its advantage, that is also its disadvantage. There are many settings and familiarity needed to effectively use this device, but certainly we need to practice and learn on others too.